Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank. Have your forecast for the next several days, and look what happened here in the last week of April. Look at all the red squares every single day above average temperatures, especially the last couple of days, Friday and Saturday, way above average. And with all this warm weather and with all the snow they had up north, has resulted in a lot of flooding across many rivers in northern portions of New England. This is from the New Hampshire Department of Transportation showing this flooded out roadway, Route 175A. That's in Holderness. It's near exit 25 on I-93 up there. So you can see that road is closed. So that's just a sample of some of the flooding that's going on. Of course, the rain hasn't helped either with the cause, because that's actually made up to an inch of rain in some locations over the last day or so. So we're looking at more rain coming up for today. So that means the pollen levels has certainly been sort of washed out. We're down in the low levels right now, but likely to go back in the moderate levels tomorrow and Tuesday, and into the high zone here for pollen levels on Wednesday and Thursday. So the main allergens are juniper, poplar, and alder. So that's the deal on the juniper. That's the deal on the pollen levels. We're looking at high temperatures for today to be in the upper 50s on most of the Cape, ranging in the lower 60s, Plymouth County, and ranging up to mid-60s in Boston, maybe lower 60s on Cape Ann, upper 60s farther north and west, assuming there is some sunshine breaking through. The warmest part of the United States today, for the most part, will be from Phoenix eastward into the Central Plains, where it's going to be in the 80s. So it certainly looks like an April map, that's for sure, and then some, maybe looking more like a May map with all these temperatures way above average. We had a reduction in humidity since yesterday. It doesn't feel as sticky out there today as it did yesterday. It felt really kind of muggy, but now we have just dew points back in the 50s, and they'll continue to slowly recede and drop over the next few days. At the same time, here we are in Boston here, and look at this feed from the tropics all the way up here into the northeast, and that is giving us certainly additional showers for today, but no downpours. Most of the tropical downpours are offshore. So can't rule out a few scattered showers this afternoon. Most of the migrating showers and patches of mist will be happening this morning. Then we'll hope for some breaks of sun this afternoon spots. And then it looks like it's going to be clearing out this evening. That may cause some scattered ground fog to form over inland spots. It may not clear on the Cape. And then later tonight, some low clouds may come in from the ocean as our wind tomorrow morning turns into the northeast. We'll have varying amounts of cloud cover tomorrow morning, some sunny splashes in places. But during the afternoon, that's when the rain is going to become more widespread once again as the next wave comes up from the south. It'll actually mostly stay south of us, but the rain will sort of pivot in on us as an upper level system comes right over us. So it turns rainy tomorrow afternoon for the afternoon commute and showery into tomorrow evening. And then the low pressure system comes up over the Cape, moves out to sea. So we'll have some backlash showers and patches of drizzle first thing Tuesday morning. Low temperatures tonight will be lower than we have had for a few nights now. We've had some really mild nights. Upper 40s and lower 50s for lows late tonight. High temperatures tomorrow with a breeze coming in from the ocean. Not a strong one, but it'll pick up on the Cape later in the day. The temperatures along the coast will be mostly in the 50s. As you get farther and farther inland, it gets warmer. So upper 60s in some parts of northern Worcester County into southern interior New Hampshire for high temperatures tomorrow. As far as the Red Sox games go, the Red Sox will be back at Fenway Park for a 10-game stint here, starting off with the Tigers. Looks like there'll be some showers for the Monday night's game. Tuesday night's game, maybe partly and turning mostly cloudy. If all goes well, the showers won't come in, the next batch of showers, until the Tuesday night's game is over with. And then Wednesday night, no chance of any rain at all. It should be around 64 at first pitch. So the system we have coming up later tomorrow with this rain will be exiting off the coastline early Tuesday. The system which gives us a few showers Tuesday night, mostly late Tuesday night, closer to midnight or after, would be coming along from this weather front here. And then we'll get into some high pressure, which should give us better weather on Wednesday and Thursday before the next rainy system comes along about Friday. So we may have a few more tenths of an inch of rain from that system tomorrow. It may be the heaviest over central Mass, maybe an inch of some spots out of that. The good news is today there's not going to be much wind at all compared to the last 3 really windy days. Today it's a light breeze this afternoon, mostly out of the south-southeast, a little busier down over the Cape and maybe on the South Shore communities, and not too much wind coming up to start tomorrow. Then it picks up a little bit later in the day. The jet stream is going to allow some dry air to come down from the west-northwest, and that won't get us until the end of the week. I would say Wednesday afternoon and Thursday will be the sunniest couple of periods this week when we get the most sunshine. We'll have a little bit breaking through in a few clouds this afternoon, maybe a little bit tomorrow morning, but clouds take over. A little bit coming up Tuesday afternoon after we get rid of the wet weather on Tuesday. So it's an unsettled week, but overall the temperatures will be above average. That's the way it's shaping up right now. Have a great rest of the day.